Listen carefully, because this sound only happens when the universe breaks something precious. A kilonova is born when two neutron stars collide. Not gently, not slowly. They spiral toward each other for millions of years, locked in a gravitational dance until the final second. Then, everything explodes. The collision releases more energy than thousands of supernovae combined. Space itself ripples. Gravitational waves race across the universe, bending reality as they pass. For a brief moment, the cosmos screams. Here's the turning point. Kilonovae create the heaviest elements in existence. Gold, platinum, uranium. The precious metals on Earth didn't form inside normal stars. They were forged in these violent collisions, blasted into space, later becoming part of planets and people. Your jewelry has a cosmic crime scene in its history. During a kilonova, matter is torn apart at nearly the speed of light. Neutrons flood space, smashing into atomic nuclei, building heavy elements in seconds. This process cannot happen anywhere else. In 2017, humanity witnessed one for the first time. Scientists detected gravitational waves, then traced them to a distant galaxy. Telescopes followed. Light confirmed it. For the first time, we heard and saw the same cosmic event. It changed astronomy forever. Some kilonovae leave behind a black hole. Others form a heavier neutron star, unstable and doomed to collapse later. Either way, nothing escapes unchanged. And here's the haunting thought. Every ring of gold, every heavy atom in your body, is debris from a long-dead cosmic collision. The universe didn't just create beauty. It shattered stars to make it.